Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And I know it's been a long time. I have been not publishing any video because I was a bit busy with some other projects, mostly three new projects at the same time. So I was a bit busy. I hosted my event as well, so I was busy doing that as well. So yeah, like here I am doing new video, and in this video I'm just gonna share a quick, simple refurbished version of an old video because that's what I think is I've been working on. So you can learn and you can see what's going on, how you can make it happen for your business if you are trying to do things here. All right. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. And I'm just gonna break things down to you so you can understand everything, what's going on, and you can like pretty much build things for yourself. And also like as you can see this build, like this is also a old video, like it's a real estate newsletter agent that I built, but this is a kind of like a messed up version and I will show why it's happening. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Tanvir and I build AI automation for businesses that saves time and money, obviously. And if you are learning AI automation and you want to check out more, you can definitely check out my school community. Link is gonna be on the description. So in the beginning of the build, I just quickly went to lovable.dev and created this simple AI landing page. All right. So what it does, like this uh, build is for a property investor, and he wants me to build something like this. So that's what I'm building, and he wants to people ask him question about like investment, and yeah, like that's pretty much it. And then like he will answer their question and capture the leads. So that's the idea here. All right. So every time people fills up the form, the webhook is gonna be triggered. All right. So as you can see, the webhook is already here. All right, and I have filled it with data. So that's the question. And if you want me to show you what's going on, like I keep it, hey, I need a similar build as this one, and yeah, like this is the conversation that happened with me and a lovable, and I asked this to use my webhook URL and things like that, and it only worked. Yeah, that's obviously it's gonna work. All right. So let me run the system and show you what's going on. All right. And then I will break things down easily for you. So, yep, let's get down here in the business. And as you can see, things are moving. So what I did here, like I used a set field, right? Because the data coming in and the data is coming as a JSON. All right. So what I did, I used a code node. All right. So I asked, hey, like I want the data to be in different section as a name, email, question, and additional context if provided. So that's what this code node is doing because I don't run an AI agent here because I've been running so many AI agents for this build. All right. And I'm going to be speaking from a bit closer so you can hear my voice a little bit more. And if you can hear some dogs barking in the background, please ignore them. I'm sorry. So after the code node is happening, like I used another set field to streamline, all right, which is which. And as you can see, the name is Baymax, the email, all right, how things are going to happen, right? And then like for this, I am updating the contact on a Google Sheet, all right, because who doesn't want leads on their business, all right? And as you can see, so this is what's happening, and then it's done because the lead capture is done, right? So after that, like the contact is done, it's searching for the question, all right, on Tably, and it's for UK because the client is from UK, so he wants me to obviously search in the UK market, right, not US market. And then like it went to an AI agent, all right, splitting the things and everything and how it went. And then like it split out all the items into three different chunks, and each of them did individual research on the topic, right? And then it went to another AI agent to streamline all right what's going on and combining all the context. So this is what happened here. And obviously like I'm using a system message, but I can show you uh, because it's his system message, so I'm sorry. And then like I used an aggregate node to combine all three output here. And then I used another AI agent to streamline right what's going to happen with the section. And I'm just gonna give it a title, all right. And I'm just gonna uh, create the subject line or the context for the email, all right. And then okay, so let me pin the data. Okay, yes, here it is. And then like it comes down to structure email, all right, because the client he wants his email to be structured with the following UK guideline. So I'm using another AI agent to do the quality control. All right, so this is gonna be checking all the context and how everything's going on and things like that. So that being said, also the that's also what's happening. All right. So now it's checking the email, and as you can see, it failed. All right. So it's gonna take the rewrite agent and fix what went wrong. All right, and then it will also come down to check email agent and classify the text if it is done right. And if it is done right, then it will fix the problem. But it looks like it didn't work as the way it should have been written, so it's also like doing the rewrite again. So let's see what happens, and I will break things down on each steps when it's done. All right, so as you can see, like it went through like four rewrites. All right, but in the end like it worked. All right, so I'm just gonna break things down a little bit, but let me go to my email and see what happened. So as you can see, the email is here and everything looks good, all right, as expected. uh, so let's see what happened. All right, so it failed four times. It gave me the correct uh, email check. So because this is all about like making the things perfect, all right, because in the few rounds like it didn't work as much as I wanted or the prospect wanted. And then when the text was failing, all right, so when it failed section fix the rule like URL or mdash, because if you're using mdash, people know that is uh, AI. All right, so each time like it was working on something different, and finally it passed. So when it passed, like it only sent the email, and that's what makes the system perfect. All right, because then like you don't have to worry about like anything sending wrong email and yeah, ruining your reputation, of course, when you're using AI. So that's why like this text classifier is here, and then like the rewrite agent is here. So if something breaks, like it can fill up the form like one more time to the testing and then sending the perfect email to the people or the prospect who requested the system. All right, and yeah, like that's pretty much it. This is a simple system if you ask me, and also a complicated one as well, because I had to like spend some time figuring out the system message. All right, because this is when the hard work comes in. All right, you have to understand, all right, how I'm gonna do things, how I'm going to uh, say, all right, this is what you need to do and things like that. So it all comes down to like creating the system message that perfectly works and matches the expectation of the prospect who is gonna be running the system like 24/7, right? Because like if someone is trusting AI with their like job and expertise, like they want the best thing possible. And also like I forgot to show you that I'm using like GPT 4.1 here, and then GPT 4.1 mini here as well. And on the other side, like I'm using like Plot 4.6 to write those emails and structure them so that I know like what's going on and how. every step is going forward. All right. So with that said, like if you have any question, please feel free to ask me. And also, if you want any system that is gonna be automated, AI related, please feel free to ask me as well. And another thing, like the next video is gonna be on how you can find like viral content on Instagram, because this is something that I've been trying to do and one of my client asked me. So I'm like taking a different route on how you can make things happen easily without spending much time on API credits and things like that. And after that, the following video is gonna be on website chatbot, a different one. That one is I'm still testing and trying to make it happen. So, yep, let's see what happens, and I will catch you on the next video. Till then, bye bye.